Kpcutie back with another $10 outfit out of Dollar Tree items. Into this video, I want you guys to like, subscribe, don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video, and let's get into this video right quick. Getting candy canes, we're in Dollar Tree. Yeah. She looked for the house for our tiny house for our children. And down the the health and beauty aisle. So I'm trying to find me an outfit idea to go with. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I know what I'm gonna do with the shirt if I find a shirt. If I can't find a shirt, then I might DIY something, be more creative. But yeah, I'm trying to find something that goes with it. I don't know why I kept coming down the accessories aisle, but this looks cute. And my eyes went first immediately to this. I might get this one. So that's one. What else? I'm just gonna get. Let me go down there and see what if I can find something. This is cute. I don't want to put that on. What's that? Oh, cute star bracelet.
Boy, if you don't.
Going down the players aisle. It is. What in the world? Let's see. No, maybe. Might even use that. Oh, this is a cute purse. Might get that. Oh no, why I'm cute. I use it. It's bland. Got it. Might try this side, see if we find anything. I think I got an idea for what I'm trying to do. I probably might not use those. Ooh, makeup. Don't need makeup, we already got it at home. Keep it pushing. Look at this food department. Hold on, we'll be right back. Hello.
I think I changed my mind on what I want to do.
What do you want to do?
Or you could do this with this, or do it with this. Have this slippers and this over your head when you get up.
I like that.
You want to do that? Here's other ones.
I like this one.
But you're gonna go with. You gonna get the other socks instead?
Yeah.
Did you put the other ones back?
Right here, he's coming. Okay, cuties, here is my pajama Dollar Tree items outfits. I basically came up with this idea from like how my mom, she gave me just her outfit not too long ago before I went to the store. So I'm like, pajamas, bandana, slippers, boom, there's our whole outfit. Cause it's like so cute and cozy and warm, and I just wanted to like do something very warm and cozy since right now we're in like fall season, so everything's surrounded by staying warm, stay in the house, eating your hot chocolate. So I want an outfit to be like kind of resemble that, where I can just sit down, go to bed in, or wake up in, or sit down and lounge around the house in something that is super warm and cozy, and also I can just sit and drink my hot chocolate. enjoy my nightly routine. So first up, I do my face. Then my legs, I lotion my whole body. Also slip on some socks because I usually feel cold during the night, so I slip on my cute, warm, fuzzy socks. And I start putting up my stuff so I don't have to wake up in the morning and put them up, so I just start putting up as I go. Then I get prepared for bed, I get in the covers. Lay down and I'm off. I wake up, I just be for a few minutes, then I slip on my cozy slippers. I really enjoy this outfit. It only cost me $4 to make because I already had some of the stuff on hand. And now, here's time for the photo shoots. Stay tuned for more of my videos of where I do more DollarTree DIYs. Well, that's it for this video, cuties. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below of which part of the video you like. If you want me to do more DIYs, or you guys enjoy my vlogmas and all that good stuff. Don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when I post videos. And I'll see you guys in the next vid. Bye, cuties. Cutie out.